This is a new 2015 Ford Focus. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include internet connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Mike Dorian Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 35900 Gratiot Avenue, Clinton Township, Michigan, 48035.